Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this video is going to be Dalton's tech support segment. Yep, another Dalton tech support segment. All right, and you can also find other videos dealing with tech support and tech reviews in my playlist. Okay, now as you all know, I talk a lot about Apple iPhones and things such as that. Okay, and I realize everybody don't have an iPhone. Okay, that's cool. So I'm trying to be a little bit fair. I'm trying to be a little bit more fair and even out. So today we're going to talk about a security risk in some Android phones that you may not know about, that you need to take care of. All right, and it's not hard to do. So I will wrap to you in about 20 seconds. Peace. Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? Welcome back. My name is Dalton, and this is going to be a video dealing with one aspect of Android, dealing on the Android phones. Okay, that is a security risk, and this video will show you how to fix it quickly and efficiently, that a lot of people don't know about. Now this is on, like I said, I know I do a lot of stuff about Apple, but this, trying to even the field a little bit, this is going to be about Android, this particular aspect on the Android, some Android phones that you really might want to check and fix. All right, let me see here. I have my notes, got my coffee. Hell, I even got my water. I'm prepared. That's right. Delicious. Now, let's do this, show. All right. Now, this particular application that is on some Android phones is called NFC. Now, NFC stands for Near Field Communications. Now, most Android phones, this application is on by default. So when you get a brand new Android phone, usually, and if this application is on it, this application is on by default. So what's the security risk? Well, let me explain here. I'll roll it down for you. All right. Basically, NFC allows a person to get into 1.5 inches of your phone, okay, and steal your data. That's right. They can be 1.5 inches away from your phone and take your data. Now, let me explain in detail. I wrote it down, what I've been studying and reading about it. Okay, it's usually called tap and share. Okay, and I remember seeing videos about it a long time ago. These were real long time ago. It was a new thing for Android, you know, and this husband was going off on a business trip, and his wife said, "Oh, I got something special for you." I made a little video, and she tapped her phone to his, and that gave him the video. Okay. And then all of a sudden those commercials disappeared, probably because it's a major security risk. It's a major security risk because it's a vulnerability that allows stalkers, hackers, okay? And for my tech nerds out there, I'm going to give y'all a nugget. It's actually called crackers, okay? Now that's for my tech nerds. They who know the history, they know what I'm talking about. But hackers, okay, and also like I said, stalkers, hackers, all right, and anyone that wants to steal your data. So think about it. A lot of people's lives are on their phones. A lot of people's creativity is on their phones. A lot of people that have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, right? They got their own channels. They're producing their own videos. All right. They're creators. Some of their stuff, even their scripts for their upcoming videos, is on their phone. So now anyone that knows how to utilize this can get within 1.5 inches of that person's Android phone and suck their data, especially hackers. Hackers who specialize in this, and they know what they're doing. And yes, law enforcement have hackers too. So don't think that they don't know how to do this stuff too. Okay, and get that information without your permission. Okay, now what this is, what MSC does, it allows data exchange, all right, from one phone to the other when the phone touches another device. Okay, but it doesn't have to touch. It could be in 1.5 inches of that device and steal that data. And it shares contacts, yes, all your contacts, videos, other files, and photos. Okay, other files. That's a pretty widespread right there. And your photos. Okay, within, it only has to be within 1.5 inches of your phone to steal it. And your phone is most vulnerable in public places, free Wi-Fi and all that. Okay, so how can we fix this? How can we fix this? I'll tell you. Basically, you go to your settings on your Android phone. Okay, then you go to where it says connected devices, and usually it's going to be Bluetooth will be around there too. Okay, and you might see Bluetooth, and then you'll see NFC. Okay, all you gotta do is turn it off, switch it off, and you're good. But remember, for most devices, NFC is on by default. Okay, so you wonder how those stalkers and hackers and other people that you don't want, your ex-girlfriend, your ex-boyfriend, your ex-wives and husbands, and your possessive girlfriend found out all about your information. Well, you got an Android phone and you have that device on it. I mean, that application implemented into the that version of Android, okay, for your phone, and that person knows how to do that. They got all your stuff, dude, just like that. All of a sudden, you had an ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend come into your life, back again. Had a great night of passion. You were asleep, and then they left. Don't want to talk to you no more, but for some reason you feel like they know everything that you're doing. I leave the rest up to your imagination. Anyway, I wanted to tell y'all about that. I asked you to give me a thumbs up. All right, if you like this video or any of my videos, and if you don't, you can give it a thumbs down. I ask you to share this, and please share this to help other people, especially if they have Android phones. And if you like to, you can subscribe. All right, and I'll wrap to you later. Peace.